Let us continue with our lesson, and what we will do now is we'll add one more edit text over here, somewhere below over here. So let's go to the split over here, and I'll just copy the first one. So let's copy this section, and let me go at the bottom over here, and let me try to paste it over here, and let's give a name as the note because we have set as a note for the column. I'll just make it as a note over here. And then we have to, let me go over here, and for this one I'll just drag to the, and let me remove the constraint on the top and constraint it below over here, and let me remove it, the bottom constraint. And for the fab, let me try to remove the top constraint, and let us try to add a below about it, and let me try to give a 16. I think that should be fine. And okay, so that should be fine, right? And what we have to do is for this one, the body, we should set it as a wrap the content, and we should increase the minimum, okay, minimum line. So I think somewhere here, so let me try to select, and I would just say min line around 3. That should be the minimum line, and the maximum, the max line, so let us give as max line as the 5, and that should be better. And also for this one, what we do is we set it as a single line. So where is that one? Let me find a single line. Yeah, here, right? Single line, let us make it as a true. And also for this one, we will set it as a single line as a true, so that we don't want the user to hit enter and expand it. So just a single line, only we should have this one as a multi-line, and that should be fine. And let me give an ID. I think we already have a note and note, and we should also add this one. I have added one extra option. So in the main activity, I have set to Android the Windows soft input mode, which is equals to adjust pan. So this will help us to adjust the layout properly. So whenever we have a soft input or whenever our keyboard is on the screen, it will adjust the layout properly. If you remove that one, the layout will not be adjusted properly, so your some of your views may be below the screen. So we just want to adjust it properly using the keyboard layout. So just run your application, and let us go back to the let us wait for the Gradle build to complete. Let me open my device and go to the add tasks. And okay, so here is on the title, and if you try to, yeah, and for this one we cannot go to the name, and that's the max line, right? And for what we need to do next is now if you check over here, whenever it, what we want to do is the title. So title we have to change it to different. So just go over here, and I think this one is that we have to change the hint, right? So where is that hint? Hint is here and inside this one. So hint we have set it somewhere here, I think. Where is the hint? Yeah. Let's just remove that one and let us give it as a note. And we can create a text string for that one. So it should be of the lb underscore note. Okay, and let me try to run it one more time, and that should I think should fix that one. And I think this should be around, we should give somewhere like 8, I think, right? And I think 8, yeah, I think everything is 8, so I think that should be around 8. So the button is around 16. I think that should be fine. So let me try to run again, and let us go back to the device, and just a 2 seconds, it will be up. And okay, so let's go to the add tasks, and yeah, we have a note now, and we need to still have do a lot of things, like we have this to edit the view model, and also we need to create a, in our API side we still have to add a new column. So there is still a lot of stuff we still have to do. So let's do it in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.